Good morning, guys. Ms. Shamble here with your day 14 problems on finding slope from a table. I'm going to be doing number 5 and number 6, which I have transferred to this lovely whiteboard over here. So to find the slope from the table, you need to find the change in the y values over the change in the x values. So if I look at the y values first, because I don't know, I just like to do the y values first. To get from -5 to -1, you have to add 4. To get from -1 to 0, you have to add 1. So that would be 4 divided by 1, which is 4. And I'm going to repeat that process with the next two. To get from -1 to 3, I have to add 4. To get from 0 to 1, I have to add 1, which is 4 over 1, because it's y over x. Change in y over change in x, which is 4 again. To get from 3 to 7, I have to add 4. To get from 1 to 2, I have to add 1. That's 4 over 1 again, which is still 4. Therefore, the slope of this table, the slope of the line represented by this table is 4, and it is linear. If we look at our next example, I'm going to change colors, they won't blend in together. To get from 6 to 3, you have to subtract 3. To get from -2 to -1, you have to add 1. So y over x would be -3 over 1, which is -3. To get from 3 to -6, you have to subtract 9. And to get from -1 to +2, you have to add 3. So we're doing negative. Sorry, you can hear my husband doing stuff in the kitchen still. So you do the y over x. So -9 over +3 is -3. To get from -6 to -12, you have to subtract 6, and to get from 2 to 4, you have to add 2. So that would be -6 over 2, which is also -3. All three of these are the same. Therefore, the line represented by this table is linear, and its slope is -3.